You have your mother's eyes. We've all heard something like it. That powerful family resemblance isn't just a saying, it's a fundamental rule of nature. In science, we call a baby, whether it's a kitten or a tiny sprout, an offspring. The reason offspring look like their parents is because they inherit traits. Traits are like a biological blueprint passed from one generation to the next. It's the instruction manual that tells a tiger cub to grow stripes, not leopard spots. It's why a seed from a red apple tree will grow up to produce more red apples, not green ones. This inheritance is how every species, from the smallest insect to the largest whale, continues its family line. But here's the fascinating twist. Even with a shared blueprint, no two offspring are identical copies. You might have your dad's nose, but your mom's hair color. In a litter of puppies, one might be solid brown, while its brother has a splash of white on its chest. These small differences make every living thing special. And after these unique babies are born, the story of family continues through care. A kangaroo mom carries her Joey in a warm, protective pouch. In an emu family, it's actually the dad who stands guard over the eggs and chicks. And most surprisingly, it's the seahorse father who carries the developing young. Of course, some parents, like sea turtles, simply lay their eggs and return to the ocean, leaving their offspring to start life on their own. From inherited stripes to a father's watch, these are the bonds that connect generations. It's this intricate mix of similarity, uniqueness, and care that keeps the beautiful, complex cycle of life turning.